Hey guys, Chad Keaton from Donnelly, Fort Mount Vernon here. It's Friday, sun's out, it's dress down day. I'm feeling great. I'm not feeling great because of those two reasons. I'm feeling great because of this trade we just got in. It's a 22 Chevy Colorado work truck with only 3,200 miles. You heard me correct, 3,200 miles. Thing is practically still brand new. If you want to come look at the inside. Auto gentleman from PA traded it in. And I know because I went on a test drive with him, very cautious driver. So this thing was not abused, driven just down the street to get groceries, back and forth from church. Inside, I mean, detail hasn't even touched it. That's how good of care this customer took of his truck. Does have a cap on the bed. And if you look at the inside, it doesn't even look like this bed has hauled anything. The truck is in almost brand new condition. So if you're feeling great like me and want a new vehicle, come in and discover the value difference.